introduction. My name is Veer Ahuja, and I'm here to talk about how we can drive retail performance with unified commerce, speaking on behalf of ETP Group today. So before we get into the topic, I'm going to speak a bit more about myself. So I'm Veer. I am an avid dog lover. That's my dog Bailey you see on screen over there, my golden retriever waiting for me back at home in Singapore. I am a man who loves diving. I've been scuba diving since I was 11 years old. I see the Philippines has many beautiful oceans. I'd love to go diving here as well. A very big football fan, a Barcelona fan. Don't feel too bad for me. I'm also a very big Messi fan, so if anybody wants to get into the age-old debate, Messi later on, happy to grab a beer and discuss. I'm a big foodie, so yeah, maybe too big a foodie, we'll talk about that later. And I'm also a member of the Entrepreneurs Organization in Singapore and global. Talking about an entrepreneur, I am also a second-generation entrepreneur, as well as a part of the family of ETP Group. You can see my beautiful family right there on the screen. Now, jumping into things, I'm here to talk about unified commerce, and the first thing I want to talk about is the customer journey within unified commerce. So we're all actually really blessed to be in the retail industry, because not only are we in the retail industry, we're also consumers of the very same industry. I very recently met with a multi-billion-dollar retailer who is one of our customers, and the CEO had a very interesting statement to make. He said that numbers are just a consequence of our focus on customer. So here at ETP, we believe that if you focus on your customer and we help you to do so, you can actually grow your business automatically. What we've learned today is whether you're shopping online or you're shopping in the stores, customers expect the same experience. Customers are now channel agnostic in today's day and age. They have an expectation on experience with your brand regardless of where they shop. They expect the same aesthetic, same brand voice, and same service quality. The interaction needs to be unified. Now, just a quick show of hands. How many people over here have actually registered online on brand.com, gone into a store and found out you're a registered customer already in the store? Okay, I see just a very few hands up. And wouldn't it be amazing if you could actually experience that? Register online, walk into a store, and already be an existing customer with all your preferences saved? Being able to register online, convert online customers to offline through purchases, have their buying history available and accessible along with their preferences across channels through unified commerce can lead to a very happy, excited, and lead to smooth and seamless interactions with your customer. Now, just a quick show of hands again. How many of you have been in store at a till and the cashier informs you while you're checking out that, hey, you have a few items in your cart online, or you have a few items on your wish list, which we actually have here in store. Would you like to pick them up? Again, not too many hands up, but wouldn't that be amazing if you could actually experience this? Basically, through things like tailored recommendations, using the help of AI and getting those AI insights, you're actually able to view things like abandoned carts and wish lists, which also allows you to then, as a brand, cross-sell and upsell to your customers, all while making them feel and showing that you truly care about your customers and their wants. Now, in retail, not everything goes as planned. You do get returns, unfortunately. I myself have gone through this a few times. Recently, I bought a pair of jeans, size 30. I realized maybe I'm too big a foodie because that doesn't fit anymore. I had to go make a return. So rather than going through the online return process, placing in a return online, waiting for the logistics partner to come and pick up the item, go back, and then wait more days for it to be delivered back to me, I decided just to walk by to a nearby store on the same day of the delivery. I was actually able to walk by to a nearby store. They already had my order registered, and I was able to return it there and then, creating a seamless journey between online and offline. Not just this, but the retailer is actually able to bring me to a store, so you're actually able to drive traffic to stores to once again cross-sell and upsell. All of this can actually lead to a positive post-sale experience. So what I realized is by doing so, I actually built more trust within that brand, and I was happy to shop there again because now I know that if anything ever goes wrong with my purchases, the brand is there to take care of me. So it really ended up leading to me being a very satisfied customer. Now, let's take another scenario during the customer journey. I wanted to buy a t-shirt. I went to a store, it was one of their smaller outlets, and unfortunately they didn't have the color that I wanted. As any other customer would, I asked the cashier, do you have any left in the back? She went and checked, there were none. She checked the system, checked the real-time inventory. Unfortunately, there was still none. I was a bit dejected, a bit sad, upset. I was just going to leave. But then she informed me that they actually have some inventory in nearby stores. She was able to check this in real time, and not just that, she was actually able to place an order for me in real time to another store, which I was then able to go and pick up on the very same day. That led for the brand a lost sale into a conversion, and led for me as a customer to be very satisfied after being initially dejected. So all of this and a lot more as well can really lead to an improved customer journey, improving the experience with your brand. You can create amazing experiences through these customer journeys, and you can build brand loyalty and link positive experiences to your brand through this. Of course, it's not just the customer journey that's improved through unified commerce. You can also improve operational efficiency. Now, you can do so through centralized data management and improved decision making, through real-time inventory visibility, through enhanced omni-channel capabilities, and a lot more. Just to respect everybody's time here, we're not going to jump into all of this. I'll just stick to the 3 points you see, and I know we have lunch next as well, and we're all very excited for that. But if you'd like to talk about it a bit more, I'll be at booth 99. Please drop by the ETP booth. We can deep dive into unified commerce. Now, jumping into operational efficiency, the first thing we're going to talk about is centralized data management and improved decision making. So this can be in many ways, shapes, and forms. The first being enhanced AI and analytics, being able to combine data from in-store, from online, from mobile interactions, be it even something like social commerce, like TikTok Shop. They're actually able to generate more accurate and actionable insights. And through something like predictive modeling, you can actually enable advanced analytics looking at things like customer segmentation, lifetime value analysis, and a lot more. You're also able to give a much greater sense of personalization to your customers through unified commerce, using data from all these various touchpoints to create personalized shopping experiences, such as tailored product recommendations, such as targeted promotions, such as personalized marketing emails. You're able to enhance that customer engagement by tailoring this experience and meeting their diverse needs and individual preferences. And of course, something that's very important to all of us, performance monitoring. So by continuously monitoring KPIs across your various different channels, you're able to facilitate quick and easy adjustments to your strategies and your operations. You can actually enable proactive management by identifying these issues in real time through unified commerce by eliminating all those data silos as well and reducing the integration touchpoints. Now, talking about our real-time inventory, you also do get real-time inventory visibility through unified commerce, and this can give you accurate stock levels. So you can get up-to-date information of your inventory across all your sales channels and your locations, whether it's online, whether it's offline, whether it's a store, a warehouse, a collection point. And this can actually help you significantly reduce the risk of overselling and can improve your stock allocation. Now, we know in the retail space and the e-commerce space, inventory is a big pain point. So adopting unified commerce, reducing once again all these integration touch points and eliminating data silos can actually really help you reduce all of that. Can also optimize your fulfillment significantly. So using real-time inventory, you can actually determine the best fulfillment options, the best stores to fulfill from, the best warehouses to fulfill from, and you can actually improve your delivery time and reduce your shipping costs, which once again is one of the biggest pain points we see today in retail and e-commerce. Of course, you can also enhance your omni-channel capabilities. At this point, all of us have heard the word omni-channel for the last 5 to 10 years. I'm sure a lot of people in this room have even adopted omni-channel. ETP as well has been a pioneer in omni-channel. We actually implemented omni-channel over 10 years ago in Asia, so we understand the need for it, and it is definitely the way forward. With unified commerce, this can definitely be enhanced further. So one of the big areas of unified commerce is definitely unified promotions. So being able to facilitate and create promotions across various different channels actually allows you to create a consistent promotion strategy for your brand, so you don't have varying promotions in store versus online, and you can give your customer a single unified experience rather than potentially confusing them. You can also do flexible fulfillment options. So by offering customers various options like buy online, pick up in store, curbside pickups, maybe home delivery, you can actually enhance both the convenience and the satisfaction of today's modern customer and their diverse preferences. And finally, something which is I'm sure very important to everybody in this room, loyalty. Through integrated loyalty programs, you can actually manage loyalty across all your channels, be it your brand.com, be it your offline stores. And you can allow customers to actually redeem points seamlessly across all these channels. This actually also encourages repeat purchases by providing consistent rewards and benefits. So your customer can be satisfied and enjoy themselves, as well as your brand can reap the benefits of this as well. Now, everything I've said over here is within the realm of omni-channel, but of course it's all enhanced significantly through unified commerce, especially by eliminating those data silos I've been mentioning. Not just that, but reducing those integration touchpoints and having everything on a single database, so there's no need for data transfer communication, and seeing all your data, whether it's inventory, whether it's orders, in real time can significantly benefit your operational efficiencies. I really want to get into this in a lot more detail, but again, keeping in mind time, keeping in mind lunch, we can talk about it at the booth later on, booth 99. Now, I'm saying all of this, but the reason I can actually say and convey these messages to you is because I have been with ETP Group for the last 9 years now, and ETP Group has actually done a lot in the retail, omni-channel, and now unified commerce space. Last year alone, ETP actually had around $20 billion worth of merchandise flow through our systems. This $20 billion worth of merchandise was to serve over 300 million consumers. These 300 million consumers were in turn served by over 200,000 users of our system, waking up every morning and logging into our POS or our e-commerce management system. This was done over 24 different countries across Asia and in around 40,000 stores and web stores. We're headquartered in Singapore currently with regionalization across 24 different countries, so we do consider and keep in mind all the various countries and what they require, and even Philippines with the BIR as well as the mall accreditation, which we know is extremely important. We work with many international brands, and we have this privilege and honor to do so, which gives us a lot of learning and understanding, which has actually helped us develop and build our solutions in a way that we can service all these brands in various different verticals of retail. And finally, with all this knowledge and understanding, we've actually been able to create a unified commerce platform, which we can offer, which is built on a unified database. So on a single database where you can have all your retail and your e-commerce operations. So everything from your point of sale systems to your inventory management, promotion management, CRM, omni-channel, and your entire e-commerce operations as well, including things like AI, API gateways, as well as mobile applications. I'm going to stop over here. I want to thank everybody so much for your time today. That's it for my presentation, and I hope to see you all at booth 99 later. Thank you.